Hey, gorgeous souls, it's your girl, Emma, and today we're talking about something super close to my heart, building an incredible, thriving community around your courses. If you want to truly impact your students' lives and create raving fans, then building a strong community is non-negotiable. So buckle up and let's dive right in. All right, let's talk about why having a community is like adding rocket fuel to your students' engagement and motivation. When people feel like they belong to something bigger, they show up differently. Think about that time you joined a book club or a hiking group and felt supported and encouraged. That's the power of community. When students feel connected, they're more likely to stay engaged and motivated, leading to better results and happier students who become walking, talking testimonials for your brand. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of actually building this thriving community. The first step is choosing your platform, and two popular contenders are Facebook groups and Discord. Facebook groups are awesome because almost everyone is on Facebook these days. They're user-friendly and you can easily create polls, host live videos, and organize your content. On the other hand, Discord is like the cool kid on the block, especially if your audience is tech-savvy or into gaming. It's all about real-time interaction with text channels, voice channels, and even video calls. So, which one's right for you? Think about your ideal student. Where do they hang out online? What kind of vibe are you going for? Choose the platform that feels most aligned with your brand and your community's needs. And hey, if you're feeling really ambitious, you can always experiment with both. Chapter 3, light up the chat hosting epic live Quanda sessions. Okay, so you've got your platform set up. Now it's time to inject some serious energy and connection into your community with live Quanda sessions or webinars. Seriously, these are game changers. Live Quanda sessions give your students that invaluable face-to-face time, even if it's through a screen. Start by choosing a topic that your audience is craving more guidance on. Promote it everywhere. Once you're live, create a warm, welcoming environment. Acknowledge your attendees, answer their questions with your signature passion and expertise, and watch those engagement levels soar. Chapter 4, Power in Numbers. Encouraging peer-to-peer support. One of the most magical things about a thriving community is the power of peer-to-peer support and feedback. When students feel connected to each other, they're more likely to share their wins, ask for help, and celebrate each other's progress. Create opportunities for students to connect, set up buddy systems, create small group challenges, or encourage students to share their experiences in a dedicated thread. Encourage students to give each other feedback on their work. This could be anything from sharing their website designs for constructive criticism to swapping drafts of their latest writing projects. And remember, celebrate those wins. When students see their peers succeeding, it motivates them to keep going. Chapter 5, Reaping the Rewards, Loyal Students, Raving Fans, and more. Now, let's talk about the juicy benefits of all your hard work in building this incredible community. You're going to see a surge in student loyalty. When people feel seen, heard, and supported, they stick around. They become raving fans who can't wait to sign up for your next course, tell their friends about you, and leave glowing testimonials. Happy students are your best brand ambassadors. When they love your courses and feel connected to your community, they'll naturally recommend you to their friends and family. And the best part, building a community isn't just good for your business, it's good for your soul. Knowing that you're creating a positive impact and fostering meaningful connections is the ultimate reward. Outro, go build your dream community. So there you have it, gorgeous. Now you've got the roadmap to build an incredible, thriving community around your courses. Remember, creating a sense of belonging is one of the most powerful gifts you can give your students and yourself. So take action. Start building your community today and watch your engagement, loyalty, and overall impact reach new heights. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. I'll see you in the next video.